Hello, everyone. One question that was submitted this week was, when doing transformations, how do you know which is best? How do you know which variable to change? All right, we're going to do more of this in model selection later in the course, but in a general sense, if you're plotting just X and Y, you want it to follow a linear relationship. So one reason that you could need to do a transformation is that X and Y don't follow a linear relationship. However, if you were to do some transformation of X, it could possibly be related to Y in a linear fashion. So usually one way that you would check whether or not a transformation is needed is through your residual plots. And based on what those residual plots look like, that could give you insight into what type of transformation would be best. Another way to do this is by plotting your X variables. And you could see if you have highly skewed data, maybe a log transformation or a square root transformation could help. And you can see different patterns. And sometimes you can do this by trial and error, but there's also other modeling techniques that could help you know the best transformation mathematically. But it's always a trade-off, right? If you have a really nice transformation mathematically, that might not be interpretable once you're looking at your coefficients, or very easily interpretable once you look at your coefficients. So sometimes it might be a trade-off between model complexity and how hard it is to understand versus the interpretation of the variables. So thank you for listening. I hope you learned a little bit of something about transformations, and we'll definitely get back to this later in the course.